Okay, so we're going to be talking about more triangles basics. So the triangle side inequality and side angle relationship. Okay, so triangle side inequality theorem, the sum of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the measure of the third. Okay, so sum means add, so I have to add two sides. It should always be bigger than the third side. Okay, so if I take my first one here, 5 plus 6 should be greater than 8. 5 plus 6 gets me 11, so that one's good. Let's pick another 2. If I pick 5 plus 8, it should be greater than 6. So 5 plus 8 gets me 13. So that one's good. And then my last one, 6 plus 8, should be greater than 5. 6 plus 8 gets me 14, which is greater than 5. Okay, the shortcut to this, instead of checking all three, if you take your two smallest side lengths, it should always be bigger than your third, and that's the one you only really need to check because that will give you your yes or your no. Okay, so my next one, if I do 8 plus 9, it should be greater than 19. 17 is not greater than 19. So that one would not make a triangle, those side lengths. Okay, 2 plus 10 should be greater than 12. 12 is not greater than 12, it's equal to, so that will also not make a triangle. Okay, side angle relationship. The shortest side is always opposite the smallest interior angle. The longest side is always opposite the largest interior angle. So bigger side, bigger angle. Smaller side, smaller angle. And it works the opposite way as well. Okay, so if I was trying to list this from angles smallest to largest, I pick my smallest side first, so 17, and it opens up to angle R. So that would be my smallest angle. Okay, my next one would be 21, and it opens up to angle P, so he would be my next biggest. My last one is 26, and he opens up to angle Q, so he will be my largest angle if I made that triangle. Okay, so listing the angles smallest to largest again. So angle 5 opens up to angle C, angle 6 opens up to angle A, and my largest side opens up to my largest angle, which is B. Okay, my next one here, 16 is my smallest, opens up to angle F. Then 18 opens up to angle E. And then 20 opens up to angle G. So he will be my biggest angle because it's across from my biggest side. Okay, it works the other direction as well. We're doing longest to shortest this time, so the opposite. So I need my biggest angle, so 70, will open up to its longest side, so CB. My next biggest is 63, so 63 opens up to my next largest side, which is CA. And then my smallest side, which is across from my smallest angle, will be AB or BA. The order doesn't matter with these as long as it contains those two letters. Okay, this one, I need to find that last angle in there. So if I subtract those from 180 degrees, because there are 180 degrees in a triangle, I will get 25 for that last angle. Okay, so it's longest to shortest again, so my biggest angle is 125. It opens up to that FE. My medium one is going to be 30, and it's opening up to that DE or ED. And my smallest angle is opening up to FD or DF. Smallest angle, smallest side. Okay, for the problems below, draw triangle ABC, then list the sides from shortest to longest. Okay, so if I draw A, B, C, A is 37, B is 48. Subtracting those from 180 will get me my last one, which will be 95. So this one is shortest to longest, so smallest angle is 37. Sits across from CB. My next biggest is 48, sitting across from AC. My largest angle, 95, sits across from AB. Okay, we do the same thing for this one. So A, B, C. If I subtract those from 180, I'm going to get my A to be 67. My B is 62 and 51. So shortest to longest, my smallest angle is 51. It sits across from AB. My next biggest is 62. It sits across from AC. And my largest angle sits across from my largest side, so CB or BC. Okay, my last one down here, A, B, C. A is 34, C is 80. Subtract those from 180, we're going to get 66 left. So smallest angle is 34, sits across from CB. Medium one is 66, sits across from AC. And my largest one, 80, sits across from AB or BA. Okay, my last set, I'm going to draw it again here. A, B, C. AB is 9, BC is 10, AC is 15, and it says smallest angle to largest angle. So smallest angle will sit across from my smaller side, which is 9. My medium one is 10, sits across from A. Largest side, largest angle, angle B. Draw again. A, B, C. AB is 11, BC is 21, AC is 18. Okay, smallest one is 11, sits across from C. Medium one is 18, sits across from B. And 21, my larger one, sits across from A.